Hola! Hola, YouTube! What's up, YouTube? Soup, sir. So bello.
Guys, today we are on our way to the beach. Maybe we'll see some honeys.
Honey girl, I don't know money.
Maybe we'll find some treasure. What else?
Want to take a nap?
Maybe we'll take a nap.
I want to take a nap.
Maybe we'll film another mukbang. You don't know. You never know.
We like to keep you on our on your toes. Yeah. How was your morning?
It was really good. I woke up. Went to go visit our third Bessie.
Arthur, you guys haven't met her yet. We mentioned her in the first video.
Worry not. We're making a vlog pretty soon. Bessie will be in it.
And you'll finally get to meet her.
Yep.
Just really want a freaking firehouse sub, but firehouse is so expensive.
Yeah. It is pretty pricey.
Pretty pricey. Pretty pricey. Pretty expensive.
I'll get one if you get one.
Okay.
This it really does sound really good right now.
It just, a sub from the beach is like the perfect little thing.
We could change in their bathroom.
In their bathroom.
Maybe next to her.
Hey, baby. Hey,
That's
baby.
supermarkets. I almost got a parakeet.
Really?
Yeah, somebody in our.
There's one open.
Thank you. Yes.
Front row seat. Yes.
Yes. Yes. It's dun 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 dun. It's right. We did it. Come on, guys, and join us on our
Adventure.
adventure into.
Intermission because I need my phone for Apple Pay. I got spicy Cajun chicken, white bread, no onion, pickle spear. Lily got medium bacon ranch, white bread, jalapenos, no tomato, no onion, pickle spear. Bro, filming in cinematic is actually so cinematic.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Really? Oh my
Who
gosh.
did that? Starbucks.
Crazy.
When did that happen?
Happened?
Did someone hit it?
Well, maybe. That's insane.
How will people know the kickboxing is there? Now we're on our way to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Let's get away.
The Cocoa Beach. Well, the smell is over-consuming. All-consuming. Fire. Filled my water bottle up with ice.
Got my water bottle.
Boo!
I guess you can use mine.
All right, guys. How's it going?
How's it going? We're going that way.
Oh,
See?
wow.
We would have been stuck there for years.
Well, honestly.
snow, but we are in hot.
Continue. Please say more.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
Imagine if you see an op on the road.
Who would be our op? Warrior, whenever you were talking to Brooks, Warrior said that, this is horrible. What if you just film like that? That Petra popped her tire.
Did she?
And her Warrior and her dad were supposed to be like looking at it to fix it. And she really wanted Dunkin' Donuts. So she drove to Dunkin' Donuts and went her flat tire. And it wasn't just like a pop. It was like almost completely flat to the rim.
No
And
way.
she drove on it. And then they were like, oh yeah, no. We can't patch that up. You're gonna have to get 2 new tires because of that. Like, oh my gosh, that's
Bless her
actually
heart.
insane.
That's crazy.
Dunkin' is not worth that.
Stop right there.
That's how you itch your throat. Your face. What were you doing just now?
I was like in disgust.
You were like,
Yeah. That's what you do.
I'm crying, son of crying.
Son of crying. Don, I'm Devin.
What? Dawn of Devin?
There's this guy. One time, Boogie, we all went to, it was me, Boogie, Connor, Lisa Lowe, and Brooks. We went to
Boogie
Starbucks. Yes, Boogie.
hung out with these guys?
Yes.
That's so funny.
Isn't that crazy? But we all went to Starbucks for like a Bible study. And somebody pulls up, I think in like a truck, and it was Boogie's friend. His friend's name is Seven. Like that's his legal name. It's Seven. And so,
What did Boogie say to Seven?
he was like, hey Seven. I don't know, he was just like, what's up? Oh, wrap it up, wrap it up. So now it's like a joke. We all say like you know the views that are like the kid named like bogus or something, like kid named Steele or kid named something stupid, like the views. I'll show you later.
Like, don't steal, and it's like steal. I wasn't gonna.
Like memes like that. We're always just like kid named Seven, and then I think I did like a typo or something. Instead of Seven, I did Devin. So it's like kid named Devin. Instead of son, I typed Dawn. So Dawn named Devin. I don't know. We kind of rip off of that all the time. Isn't that awful?
Dawn named Devin.
I would hate to be named Seven.
Guys, is this kind of wonderful to go to the beach?
Ooh. You're so beautiful too.
Hey, fresh new fit. I look like a freaking crayon.
Yeah.
It literally has the stripes like a crayon, too.
Looking sharp. That's crazy.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop the camera so that my phone doesn't overheat. And then we'll meet you at the beach.
We'll be back.
What the heck?
$4 operating a motor vehicle in
Guys.
safe condition. Guys,
Lily just
I just got pulled over.
on our way to the beach.
You people.
Only because
My brake lights were
our
out.
brake lights are out.
Brake lights. That's crazy.
But
At
it's
least
okay.
he was nice. He was just chill.
He was nice, and you weren't offensive or offended. We have made it to El Beach. Guys, I did it. I did it, guys. Look at those waves. Look at their tent. Just for us. Where should we go? You want to go right in between? We made it to the beach, sitting down with our sandwiches. Watch that. with a nice view. So would mine out. Okay, guys. Beach day finished. And you guys, this is called Have a Beach Day Without Us. Come have a beach day without us.
Boo!
So you know how that people are like, get ready without me, and then they just come back ready?
Oh, yeah.
Because I didn't film anything at the beach.
Oh, I thought you did.
I filmed like 2 things.
That's okay.
My mascara's everywhere. Anywho, we're nice and crispy, nice and tan. Ready to take a shower. And I didn't even nap.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I took a nap. So nice.
So hungry. Hey baby with your backseat singing. Hey. Oh bro, I'd love to listen to freaking Gangnam Style.
Really?
Yeah, let's run through Gangnam Style.
Are you joking? Are you being for real?
I'm being for real. Play me Gangnam Style.
You found it! Hey, hey.
There was no one. Hey, hey, and there was. It's just.
It's too dark. Style.
Korean, not it, no.
Did you watch the Nut Job movie? With the squirrels?
Yeah.
Whenever I hear this song, I think of that movie.
Really?